Hello and welcome to my first macrame tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you 3 basic macrame knots that can be used to start any macrame project. The first knot I'll show you is how to attach your strings to your dowel or support that you choose. The first knot is a lark's head knot, which is the one on the left, and I'll also be showing you the reverse lark's head knot. So to begin, you'll grab your string and find the ends, match them together so that way you find the center point of the cord. Once you have found that, you loop it over the dowel, find the loop in the back, and pull the strings through. Like so. Pull up to tighten, and there's your first lark's head knot. I'll show you how to do the reverse lark's head knot as well. So again, find your center point, and instead of pulling it over, we're going to start from the back, pull it over, find the loop to pull the strings through, and pull up and tighten. This is user preference. There's no wrong way or right way to start your project. Some people prefer the look of the cords on the outside. Some people prefer to do the cords on facing the reverse. So the next knot that I'll be showing you is called a half knot, also referred to as a spiral knot. Now that you have your 4 cords, the 2 inner cords are your base cords, the 2 outer cords are your working cords, and those are what's going to be used to create the knot. You grab your left working cord and you're going to pull it over almost to create the number 4. So you pull it over your 2 middle working cords. Your right working cord will go over that, around the base cords, and through this loop. And you will pull the ends to tighten it. I'll show that one more time slowly. Again, you'll take the left working cord, pull it over to make the number 4. The right working cord will come over the tail, around the back, and through the loop. Pull up to tighten. I'll do a few more of those to show you how it begins to make a spiral. As you begin working, the knot will naturally begin to turn. You do not need to turn your body. You will simply just grab the cords from either angle and begin working, and the cords will do the job for you. So you can see here, as we continue using those cords, it begins to twist. Now because we are using only the outer cords, they begin to shorten. The inner cords are still long, the outer cords are short, which is imperative to make sure that you have the right amount of cord to begin with. There are ways to add in cord in the middle of your project, but of course, if you don't have to do that, it's much easier to have the correct amount of cord to begin with. So we're going to build off of that cord, off of that knot, and begin our square knot. Just as before, you're going to take the left knot, cross it over, pull the right working cord over, around, and through the loop, and there's your half knot. Here's the difference. Take the right working cord, pull it over the left to the left side. The left working cord will come over that, behind, and through. So essentially we are reversing or doing the opposite of the half spiral knot. So again, take the left working cord over the base cords, right working cord comes over, around the back, and through. That's your basic half knot. Now you take your right working cord over the base cords, left working cord comes over, around the back, and through. Pull the ends to tighten. There, now you have 2 square knots. I'll do a few more of those so you can see what a pattern looks like. And once you have more than 2 of the similar knots in a row, it becomes what we call a sinnet. So here we have a sinnet of square knots and a sinnet of half knots or spiral knots. As I mentioned previously, since you're using the outer cords only, those begin to shorten. So again, make sure that you measure appropriately. I hope this has helped you to begin your own beautiful masterpiece. Thank you.